Here's how to import WebM videos in Premiere Pro. So you can import WebM videos in Premiere Pro by doing this one method that I'm gonna show you. So first of all, copy this link. The link will be in the description down below, but I'm gonna just copy this link. It's the WebM. So when I've copied this, I'm just gonna go to my browser and paste this link. It will take me here. So it will say download for Mac. If you're a Mac user, you can download it for Mac, or you can use for your Windows PC. So I'm just gonna go ahead and download it for my Windows PC. So it's downloaded. So it's in the zipper. So I'm just gonna drag all these over here. When these are over here, I'm just gonna install this. So it's gonna take a while to install. So we're just gonna wait. So it's done installing, so I'm just gonna click on finish. So it's in my PC now. So yeah, these are the presets of these. But when you go to Premiere Pro and you have a WebM file or video, you can just simply drag it into your Premiere Pro just like this normally. So yeah, that's basically it on how you can import WebM in Premiere Pro. So I hope I helped you guys out. Peace.